So this is also 4XZ, Haifa Israeli station. So we had a video earlier on 6607. It's obviously stronger here on 4331 kHz, CW Morse code. Now the code isn't very good, but you could see that when it does work, it is 4XZ. So this is the good one here, the good part. Actually, what is happening on this when you look at the code like this, when it says VVVDE and 4XZ, what does that exactly mean? So for most marine stations, what often happens is that they have their main frequency that they actually use, and they will be sending out VVV, which means calling all stations. So VVV is a general, hey, I'm here, saying hello to everyone from DE. 4XZ in this case is the Haifa Israeli station. Sometimes you'll have them with a little more detail, like kPH, for example, will be telling you that they are listening. So they'll have and mention, for example, 6, 8, 12, and so on megahertz. And what that means is that not only are they calling, but they're also listening for any ships or any marine stations that would actually want to come in. Once again, this one is mostly transmitting coded Navy messages when they start doing it. So when it's not in the mode of just sending out its call like this, you will notice that they send out what are 5-letter groups for a certain amount of time, and then when the message or the coded message is done, they're back at 4XZ. So once again, this is 4331 kHz CW, 4XZ from Israel. So if you notice, they are now in the mode of sending coded messages. So they're sending these groups of letters and numbers right now. So they have changed mode to a coded message that the Israeli Navy can receive.